Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And somebody's trying to remove the black background. I put a yellow box so we could see that the box is there. The one I'm doing it for, I made your item really small. You can always put it back. But we're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and move that over. So I've got my nudge factor set on 2 inches. We're going to take this one, we're going to trace bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. I've done a couple of videos almost just exactly like this. But normally the background is white and not black, so that really doesn't matter. This is pretty little, so it's just going to take a little bit of time. We're going to move that out of the way. Now this is a bitmap, so you can see that the colors aren't quite as good as the original. I mean, this is really pretty good how it did it. But now we're going to take a rectangle tool or the square tool, and we're going to fill in with blue, and we're going to nudge that over. Now we have to nudge it off the yellow box, and now we're going to take Smart Fill, and we're going to use a different color, and we're going to fill that in. So now we have an object. There's our original. We're going to select both of them and go to the intersect tool, and voila, there is your original picture without a black background. Pretty sharp, pretty clean. I'd be a little bit concerned. Whenever an item is really close to the edge, it's going to have these corners, but that's very easily taken. You can change that because we got nodes there. We could actually just lasso those 2 nodes and delete them. Same thing on the other side, maybe. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It looks really clean. Now, if you wanted to cut that out, you could just use this same figure right here, fill it in, move it over. Then you could left click, right click, and have a hairline. Make sure it's set on hairline, which is not. We'll go right here and set on a hairline. And because we're nudging, we can nudge it right back to that original. And now, well, if you're going to cut it out, you really don't need to remove the black background because it's going to be disappeared. But you could always do things like that with cutting it out. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.